Good morning, children. In the last video, we have studied about estimating sum or difference, estimating product, and estimating quotient. Now, with the completion of these topics, we have completed our chapter. Okay, so today in this video, we will just make the revision of the topics that we have studied till now. So, I am going to the first topic. First is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. In which way we can say the given number is larger or smaller. So there are two ways to compare the numbers. First one is when numbers of digits are different. Working rules are given. First, count the total number of digits in each number. Second, the numbers having more number of digits is greater one. And third, the number having less number of digits is smaller one. See the example. Two numbers are given, 234 and 3234. So both of them have different number of digits. इसमें 3 digit है and इसमें 4 digits. So you can say which one is greater? 4 digit number. That means 3234 is greater than 234. Okay. Now second case, when the number of digits are same. जब number of digits same. Suppose we have two numbers, 4327 and 4348. In both the numbers we can see that number of digits are same, 4 digit and 4 digit. So what we have to do here, we have to compare each digit individually. So we will start from left side. 4 and 4, both the numbers have 4 at the left side, so they are equal. Again 3 and 3, they are also equal. Next 2 and 4, here the digits are different, so here we will compare. 2 is smaller than 4, so we can easily say that 4327 is smaller than 4348. Okay, so this is the way to compare the numbers. Now second was ordering of numbers. I have told you that what is the need of comparing the numbers? To write the numbers or to recognize the numbers, whether which one is greater or smaller. Okay, so what are working rules? First, compare the number of digits involved in the given numbers. पहले हमें number of digits देखना है. Second, if the number of digits are different, we can use the first case. जब यदि number of digits same है तो हमें कैसे compare करना है हमें पता है. Third, if the number of digits are same, यदि same है then how we have to do? We can easily say. जब different है then what we have to do, and when the digits are same then how we will do, I have already explained here. Now next topic was making of numbers using digits. When we have digits and we have to make larger number and smaller number. I have told you, for the largest number, start placing digits from the leftmost place and proceed towards right. सबसे लेफ्ट में हम नंबर रखेंगे कौन सा, विच डिजिट, जो सबसे लार्जेस्ट डिजिट होगा, दैट वी विल पुट इन द लेफ्ट प्लेस एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड टूवर्ड्स राइट. फॉर द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर वी हैव टू पुट smallest digit at the left and then we have to proceed towards right. So I am giving you example. Here we have digits 4037. One thing, here it is given in note that 0 cannot be placed at the leftmost place. हम 0 को सबसे left place पे नहीं रख सकते. For this what we have to do, we can put 0 at the second place or at any other place, but we can't put 0 at the starting. Okay, I have already given you notes for this, so you can read from there also. So here we have to make the largest and smallest number both. So 4037, for largest number put largest digit at first, 7 रख दिया इसमें से. Now then in decreasing order, उसके बाद हम decreasing order में रखेंगे. So 430. Okay, so 7430 is largest number. Now smallest number बनाने के लिए, here 0 is the smallest, but I have told you that we can't put 0 at the left, so we will put 3 at the leftmost place, and then we will write in increasing order. So 3, then 0 at second place, 0 4 7 increasing order में आ गया. So our smallest number is 3047. This is the way to make numbers using digits. Now if we have the case according to following example, see, form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using digits 1 4 7 where one of the digit can be repeated twice. ऐसा केस हमें मिले जिसमें हमें सिर्फ 3 डिजिट दिया हो और हमें कहे कि हमें लार्जेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है, रिपीटेड इन विच वेयर वन ऑफ द डिजिट्स कैन बी रिपीटेड ट्वाइस, जिसमें कि हम किसी एक डिजिट को ट्वाइस रिपीट कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ वी विल फॉर्म using digit 1 4 7. Again, for making larger number, what we will do, we will repeat largest digit twice. Larger number बनाने के लिए largest digit को twice repeat करेंगे, and for smallest number we will repeat smallest digit twice. Okay, largest number largest digit twice, and smallest number smallest digit twice. So here largest number 7741 and the smallest number 1147. Okay, so this is the way to make numbers. Our next topic was effect of shifting of digits. So first rule, obtain the new numbers from the given number by shifting or exchanging digit, and then compare the new number with given number. Suppose example is given, I have number 3408 and we have to exchange the place of 4 and 8. तो क्या बन जाएगा? exchange मतलब 8 को 4 के पास भेजो and 4 को 8 के पास भेजो. See, so new number formed 3804. Now we have to compare. Compare करेंगे 3 3 equal 4 and 8. Which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. So 3408 is smaller than 3804. So in this way we will shift the digit towards right. Okay, now we have read the topic larger numbers, in which we have studied about Indian system and international system. Indian system, according to Indian system we read the numbers ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. But in international system we read like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then million, 10 million and 100 million. That means 1 lakh is equals to 100,000, 10 lakh is equals to 1 million, crore 10 million, and 10 crore 100 million. So this is the difference between Indian system and international system. Okay, and I have already discussed about the word successor and predecessor. Successor 1 प्लस करके नेक्स्ट डिजिट फाइंड करेंगे, एंड फॉर प्रेडिसेसर -1 करके हम पहला डिजिट फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, you can read in your notes which I have given you. Now Roman numerals for greater digit. I have told you that there are 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are used for particular numbers: I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. We also use K for 1000. So there were some working rules I have given you, that if a symbol is repeated at most 3 times, हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा किसी सिंबल को सिर्फ 3 टाइम्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं. Second, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of the greater value, then value is added. यदि smaller value का symbol greater value के symbol के right में रखा है, suppose vi, then we are adding the value. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, value को add कर रहे हैं. 5 + 1 6. But if it is kept left side, then we are subtracting it. iv 5 - 1 4. Okay. Next, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times and the symbol V, L, D are never repeated. V, L और D कभी भी repeat नहीं होते. Okay. Symbols V, L, D are never written into the left of a symbol greater value. V, L, D कभी भी left side में नहीं लिखे जाते हैं. जैसे यदि हम Vx लिखेंगे then it will be wrong. Last, if x is written to the left of L and C, it is subtracted. यदि x और L, if x जो है L और C के लेफ्ट में है, then it is subtracting. xl 50 - 10 40, xc 100 - 10 90. Okay, so these are the ways to write the Roman numerals of larger numbers. Then we have done word problems, in which I have told you different methods to solve the word problems. I have explained you the examples also, and on the basis of examples there were so many questions which you have also done, and I have also given you the solutions. Then after, we have reached our last topic, estimation of numbers. Estimation means अनुमान लगाना, and in which we have to round off any given number to its nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. And in the last we have done estimating sum, product and quotient. So children, now you have to do that after completion all these assignments up to 1.6, you have to solve chapter and exercises also. That means section A and section B. Okay, these two sections are very important. इसमें बहुत अच्छे questions दिए हैं, very interesting questions are given. If you will do these questions, it will be beneficial for you. You can do practice also. So what will you do in homework? You will complete section A, first part, second, third, fourth, all, and in section B only first part. Okay, so this will be your homework, and after completion of this chapter I will start in next video. I will start second chapter, whole numbers. Thank you.